Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy GNC Creatine. First, understand the different forms available, such as creatine monohydrate, which is widely studied and effective. Consider your personal fitness goals. Are you aiming for strength, endurance, or muscle growth? Also, review any dietary restrictions you might have. Always prioritize products that have undergone third-party testing to ensure purity and potency. This initial research helps you make an informed decision before purchasing. When selecting your creatine monohydrate is often the best starting point due to its extensive research and proven benefits. It's also typically more budget-friendly. If you experience digestive issues or bloating with monohydrate, creatine hydrochloride might be a better option, as it's known for better solubility. Always check the recommended dosage, which is commonly around 3 to 5 grams per day, to ensure you're getting an effective amount. You can purchase GNC Creatine directly from their physical stores, where staff can offer personalized advice. Alternatively, online retailers provide a convenient way to compare prices and read customer reviews from the comfort of your home. When shopping, always scrutinize the product's ingredient list. Ensure there are no unnecessary fillers or artificial additives. Transparent labeling is key to understanding exactly what you're putting into your body and verifying product quality. Before finalizing your purchase, always check the expiration date to ensure the product's freshness and efficacy. Also, pay attention to the recommended storage instructions to maintain its quality over time. Reading customer reviews can provide valuable insights into the product's taste and how well it mixes, helping you avoid unpleasant surprises. Remember, a quality creatine supplement can significantly support your fitness journey. For more great deals, including that awesome car air freshener, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.